The San Diego Association of Governments, or SANDAG, is developing San Diego Forward, the 2019 to 2050 regional plan. The regional plan will provide a big picture vision for our region over the next 30 years with an implementation program to make that vision a reality. Network scenarios are critical to developing the regional plan. These packages of projects, technology, and programs and services consider regional mobility needs, emerging technologies, the environment, public health, and the economy. Later this fall, you will have a chance to provide input on draft network concepts for the 2019 regional plan. To ensure that these scenarios meet the goals for the regional plan, SANDAG established a set of performance measures. Performance measures are used to answer key questions about the network scenarios, to measure how different projects, policies, and programs could help achieve the overall goals of the regional plan. There are 8 questions that provide information about whether a scenario supports innovative mobility and planning, a vibrant economy, and a healthy environment and communities. Each question has specific values so we can measure success. These questions are: is delay reduced? By measuring how long we spend in traffic per day, we can determine if a scenario helps reduce congestion. Are more people walking, biking, using transit, and sharing rides? We can see if fewer people are opting to drive solo by counting trips taken by walking, biking, transit, and carpooling region-wide and calculating the reduced vehicle miles traveled, or VMT. Is the transportation network system safer? The regional plan emphasizes network safety and considers the number of non-motorized and vehicular fatalities and serious injuries. Do the transportation investments help to improve the regional economy? We can see how the region's economy benefits from transportation investments by looking at safety, travel time, and air quality, and assuring that the benefits of the regional plan outweigh the costs of implementation. Does the transportation network support smart growth? 2 factors are considered to determine how communities are served by our transportation network: the share of people within a half-mile of high-frequency transit stops, and the percentage of residents within a quarter-mile of a bikeway. How does the transportation network support public health? 2 critical components of public health are how active people are and how clean their environment is. By measuring the amount of time people are walking and biking, and air pollutants, we can assess how a scenario affects public health. Is access to jobs in key destinations improving for all communities? To evaluate whether a scenario improves community access, we measure the percent of population with access to jobs in higher education both via transit and driving, as well as the percent of the population who can access goods and services such as retail or medical centers within 15 minutes. Are greenhouse gas emissions reduced? Our models consider climate change by projecting carbon dioxide emissions of our transportation choices, both on a per-person and regional level. Later this fall, you will have a chance to see how each draft transportation concept performs and provide input. Networks will then be refined for further review and input this winter before the SANDAG board selects a preferred network. It is important that the regional plan addresses the needs of all communities across our region. Using these performance measures, we can strive for healthier communities, more transportation options, a sustainable region, and a better quality of life for all. Learn more about San Diego Forward, the 2019 to 2050 regional plan, and subscribe to receive email updates at sdforward.com.